Hi, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. So, what's your name? Where are you from?
Oh, my name is Neha and I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, by the way, what do you do, Neha?
I am preparing for public exam.
Okay, nice.
That's
That's
it.
that's good. That's good. So, please
Okay.
let me know why are you learning English? What purpose do you have behind it? Because you are learning English.
Okay. So the main purpose behind it is I want to be in I want to be fluent in English. So that's why. This
Okay.
is the main reason behind it.
Okay, nice. That's good. That's good. So
Okay.
I want to give my introductions because my name is Rajni and I am learning English as well and I am homemaker and as well
Okay.
I am a YouTuber. So that's it about me.
Okay. So
Mm.
why you want to learn English?
Actually, speaking English was my passion since school days. So that time I couldn't learn English. So this time I have a good opportunity to learn English. So that's why I am here. I am learning English.
Oh,
Yes,
that's nice.
yes.
Okay.
So
So uh, accept it. If you want to tell me something about you, so you can, because there is no question coming in my mind.
okay, okay.
So,
You can ask any question related to spoken English. Any
okay,
question you can ask. Yeah.
okay. Let me ask you. Also, do you think like grammar is very important for this to speak English?
Okay. Actually, according to me, grammar is important, but little bit. When you start speaking English, so that time you should learn passive and tense. That's it. And after that, you can start speaking. Because when I started speaking English, so that times I learned everything, but I didn't have more much practice. Because after that I decided to speak. So then I felt something like this. I am being the perfect. So I think
Okay,
practice is very important. At least speak. Okay, when you start speaking English, you should watch the English video as well. You should speak. So I think
okay.
little bit grammar is important. That's it. According to me. Yeah.
So, you are a homemaker. So how to manage with these things
Okay.
because you are a home, so you have to do so much work in
Okay.
your home also. So how to manage with these things?
Okay, actually, yeah, I because right now nowadays I don't have more much time. I do the work related to my home and then I have the practice because speaking English is my passion, as you mentioned. So I manage the time. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So everyone is, but I think
yeah.
I
Please.
don't know everyone think like this or not. But I think is if you really want to do something in your life, so you can do it at any moment.
Yes,
Like
yes, yeah. Actually,
want to achieve.
if you have passion, so you should take the time. Okay, for improving your dream who want to get. So I think when you start learning, when you start getting the all the dream which you want. Okay,
Okay.
so I think you should have to take the time more much.
Okay.
So I can manage. Yeah. When I start speaking English, when I have the practice.
Okay. So let me know, do you really think that there is it is very necessary? It is a need to take some motivation time to time.
Exactly, because I think motivation is very important. Very, very important. Even I watch motivational video because when I low feel, so that time I watch motivation video. So I think motivation is very important. Very, I think it's very need to get the motivation. So I think motivation is very important to get the everything who want to.
Okay. So after that, where you want to see yourself,
Yeah, please.
like when you I want to ask you, like
Yeah.
after your journey, which you have started now,
Okay.
like after that, where you will see yourself.
Actually, I can't hear properly your question, so please can you repeat and please clearly.
I want to ask you, like after completed your journey, which you
Okay.
have started, like where you want to see yourself after
Okay.
it.
No, actually, this time I am not seeing to so or to my dream. Actually, this time I am having the practice as well. I am having the practice and I am being the perfect. Something like this, I think, because I am being the perfect. I am suffering a lot, and when I will improve my communication skills. So that time I will think about it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you have any companion?
Yeah, please.
Like, I want to ask you, like, do you have any companion for learning English? For learning English?
No, no, no. Actually, this time I am learning English on because I don't have any partner, and I asked every person initially days, please can you help me for improving English, but nobody helped me. I think this is my journey and I have to handle myself. So I can't claim to anyone, and I think this times I am learning to myself, and I can manage.
Okay. So,
Yes,
it's really cool. This is only your journey, and
yes,
there will be only your contribution in the journey,
yes,
not anyone in
yes.
this.
Yes, actually, I think all the people say something like this. I don't have any partner. How to start speaking English? So, according to me, this is a excuse who are making daily.
Yes, wait.
So, I think
It's
please, yeah, please don't think about this. Think only try to speak English and please try to be better. So, I think drop, leave this thing. Yeah.
yes, you are giving me suggestion.
Suggestion. Oh, yeah, exactly. Because I am learning and I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you. I am not that good because I am learning. Because I am facing all the problems, so that's why I am telling to you. Please don't mind, okay? Yes, yes,
Oh, very best.
yeah.
Yes. Do you have any question which you want to ask me so you can?
Please, can you repeat?
I am asking you, do you have any question about me if you want to ask?
Yeah, actually, so actually, yeah, please let me know. I have a one topic to discussion. So please let me know. Degree is important or knowledge? So please give me some views.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I think is, I think like it is like there is it is the knowledge is very important.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
it is essential for us. Like we have a knowledge of everything. Like it is we should knowledge
Okay.
of everything
Okay.
which is happening. Is like in which field you are, you have a knowledge about it.
Okay.
And degree is also important because if you get some degree, so after that you can do anything what you want to achieve.
Okay.
I really think it is essential.
Okay. 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 Actually,
What
yeah. Actually, according to me, degree is important, but knowledge is very important than degree. According to me, so that's why I am telling to you. But degree is not important that much knowledge.
okay?
Yes.
So look, I'm preparing for my competitive exam. So
Okay.
it is essential. Like I have a degree. After that, I will appear
Okay.
in this exam. So
Okay.
it is essential. Like
No, yeah, exactly. But degree is important also. But compare degree and knowledge. Knowledge is very important than degree. Yeah, I'm not saying that degree is not important. Degree is important, but according, because when we compare with degree and knowledge, so then knowledge is very important than degree. Yes. Yeah.
Yes. It's really true.
Yes. So
Because when you meet with,
yeah, please.
let me complete.
Yeah, please.
When you meet with other persons, when we meet with other persons,
Okay.
so they just know about our knowledge,
Yes.
how much knowledge we have.
Yeah.
They don't bother about what the degree we have. They just they just know about the knowledge which we have.
Yeah.
So it is it's true. We have a knowledge. We should have knowledge.
Actually, yeah, you are right.
It's true.
Yeah, actually, you are right. But after checking your knowledge, then you get job. Okay. So I think, yeah, I'm not saying degree is not important. Degree is important, but knowledge is very important than degree.
But
Yeah.
after that, it is most important where you stand. Where you
Yeah.
are standing in your future.
Yeah, I means to say, because degree is not important. Degree is important, but knowledge is very important. Yes,
Yes.
I means to say, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So, do you have any question about me? You can ask any question related to speaking English. Actually, when you start speaking English, so that time you afraid of making the mistake, because this time you are making the mistake. Every person afraid about mistake.
Yes, it's really true. Because now these days I'm not so much I am not so much. What I can say is now these days I also feel myself like I am making the mistakes because I'm not so perfect in English.
Okay.
And I also afraid of what the people will think about if I am making the mistakes while
Yes.
speaking.
Yes.
So I also stuck in
Yeah, every person stuck initially day it happens. Yeah, please don't think about any mistake, because when you make the lots of mistake, and then you will be perfect in English. Okay, mistakes because native speaker make the mistake. Mistake is common thing. Every person make the mistake, because this times I am having the conversation with you, so I am feeling something like this. I am making the lots of mistake. So please don't try to think something like this. This times I am making the mistake. Okay, mistake is common thing. So please avoid all the things. Yeah. So again, I am saying, nice to talk to you, and you are very nice girl and very pure heart girl. So thank you, nice to talk to you, and I will meet next time. Okay.
Thank you. Same here. I also feel very happy.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.